To Professor Kiama, I wish you well. I think a leadership, we end by saying that leadership is not just learned. Leadership also has the aspect of being inborn. And I dare say that Professor Kiama has that inborn component of leadership if he prepares to learn from others and he provides servant leadership. I think University of Nairobi will be in the next proper trajectory to greatness.
I wish him all the best. We will work together to ensure that we deliver the mandate of the university. This is a time we call for courage, confidence, innovativeness, and integrity. This for all of them, all staff, all students, just that call.
My congratulations to the Vice Chancellor is that I want to say thank you for his well-deserved appointment, and I congratulate him during this installation ceremony that is happening today. And I wish him all the best as we strive to make this university a world-class university committed to scholarly excellence.
Our Confucius Institute to let our students at the University of Nairobi to learn the Chinese. And now we have a bachelor degree, and we cooperate with Tianjin Normal University to can apply master degree. Yes, so our Confucius has a lot of local Chinese teachers to teach Chinese. And because of University of Nairobi supported us so much, so our Confucius is now has many achievements because of Vice Chancellor or Council supported us so much.
I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the Alumni Association to congratulate the Vice Chancellor, the incoming Vice Chancellor, the 8th Vice Chancellor of the University of Nairobi, to his new role. I want to assure him that as an Alumni Association, we stand behind him, we will give him all our support, and we will do everything to ensure that he has a successful tenure as the Vice Chancellor of the University of Nairobi.
First of all is actually to congratulate the appointment, Professor Kiama for his appointment. 2 is actually we have so much which we have done with him before, and we are expecting also actually to finalize our internal CBA with him. We have quite a number of issues which actually I would like to say about him. One, we has actually facilitated the promotions of the workers, which is so good so far. He has actually maintained the payment of salaries within this pandemic time, which is a very difficult time. And we have every reason as a union actually to congratulate him and to wish him well in running this prestigious institution.
The Kenya University Staff Union would like to congratulate him for being appointed the new Vice Chancellor, Professor Kiama Gitahi. As he comes in, we do wish to affirm our support so that together, as I have indicated, we can be able to surmount the issues and the challenges that this university is facing. Because everybody knows at the moment, our universities are facing a lot of challenges, underfunding, and that is now making most of the operations almost stall. We will be able to join hands with him. And we also wish to assure him that for us, as long as he involves us, we will share with him our part of views, and together with his and the management's views, we can be able to help this university move forward.
We want to thank Professor Kiama for having gotten the opportunity to lead this institution. It is actually the culmination of the completion of transition from the past to the present leadership. There are many challenges that he'll come through, but we assure him of our support, and the fact that he has been the head of HR and administration in this university, we've interacted with him closely, and we would wish him well and urge him to continue doing that which he has started doing. We assure him of our support, and we want to thank God and thank him, and also thank this university for all that we continue to do together.